In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to turn on and off the accounts layer. Now, as you can see here, we've got 4 types of accounts imported, and those are the 4 icons that appear on the screen. If you wanted to hide all the icons from view, you can click here on the Layers tab in the top left, and then click on the Accounts button. This will turn them off from being viewed completely. They have not been deleted, just that layer of accounts has been turned off. To bring them back, you simply click that button again. You can also hide individual account segments by going to Configure Layers, and here you would deselect the account that you don't want displayed. So let's say I only want to see A and B accounts, so I'll deselect C and D and click OK. And right away, the C and D counts will be removed from view and also from the account legend here in the top right. And you would bring them back the same way. Click on Configure Layers, select those checkboxes, and then click OK, and those accounts are brought back in. And there you go. You've just learned to turn on and off the accounts layer.